Hello, hello. Look at what we have here. This is very good. This is, I'm not going to show that. That is my address once again. But this is my new exhaust. So I'm gonna open this real quick and maybe we will even put it on. So, tad second here. Okay, so it should be mostly, yeah. Ooh, that is some very firm packing wrap. That shit is good. Okay, so I don't know what all is in here besides this. And maybe some mounting hardware, I assume. What am I touching? Mounting hardware. And what the fuck am I looking at down there? What is this? Oh, some sort of carbon fiber mount, I would assume. I think this replaces where the passenger foot peg is. What in the fuck? Oh, is this instructions? Yeah. All right. So let's be smart here and open up the instruction booklet. So awesome. So this should be. See, I ordered for the Z400, but it keeps saying Ninja 400. Are they the same? I would assume they would have to be nearly identical then, if it keeps telling me. But anyway, regardless, the thing I wanted to get at here and show here. Goddamn. Now that yeah, shut up. That is really cool. That's a really cool thing. All right, I'm gonna figure out how or if I can get this installed real quick, and I will be back. All right, so first things first here, we gotta make sure, so this looks like mounting hardware, kind of similar to like that to go there, I would assume. So it's probably gonna go like that maybe, or like this, depending on where the exhaust sits exactly, but I'm pretty sure this is supposed to line up with that. So this holds there. So we might be able to just reuse that. We might have to reuse that. But let's just double check here and see. There we go. The rest of the shit is so. I don't know what this is. It's. I don't know. I don't know what this is. I'm unsure. And that is mounting and connecting hardware. So that connects to that little dingus there. And that little dingus connects maybe here? Or there? Fuck it, let's figure it out. I mean, I think it'll work. So we need, that looks like a 12 mil, 12 or 11, maybe a 10, but 12 or 11. And that's just like an Allen. So let's get the 12 off first. Okay, so everything is loose now, so it should kind of just pop off. So let's see here. Well, would you look at that? I have no idea how much of this video I've done without actually recording it. God damn, well, fuck me. I installed my Akrapovic exhaust, as you can tell. So I'll just walk through everything that I just did, because God, I guess I didn't record fucking any of that. So, oh wow, I unboxed Akrapovic exhaust. Oh wow. Oh, that's how you. Oh, so I need this Allen. I need this Torx. I need that Torx. I need to take all this stuff off. Take that off. I need to put that guy in there. Put this guy on. Get him tight. Get this guy on. Get him tight. And then I need to try it out. And then also, in between, while I have it off, I need to go whoop, and I need to go. That sucks. That is disappointing. Well, anyway, I guess you can. Well, that is significantly louder. Well, I'm happy with that, but yeah, somehow not recording any of it was really cool. Wow, that sucks. Yeah. Anyway, I got my Akrapovic exhaust, and I was trying to record the entire installation of it, but I guess I only got to this part, and whatever was actually recorded. So that sucks, but I mean, this thing's cool. It's solidly on there. Sounds good. Works good. Fuck that thing. Fuck this phone. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this half installation, half just fucking hearing it. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off before I piss off everybody. But yeah, that was fun. That was a good video. I'm glad that it failed so miserably. It's like half the shit I do on this channel, but hey, you know, at least we're having fun, having a good time, doing cool stuff on and to a motorcycle. And I'll get hopefully better at recording stuff and not accidentally pressing stop record. Still have to figure out my moto vlog set up so I can listen to music and record and you guys hear my voice at the same time, but that might not be possible. So who fucking knows, to be honest. I'm having a good time. Really liking this exhaust. I'm really liking this bike. And I'm not liking all of this mess I have to clean up. So anyway, I better get to that while I can. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.